born as Samuel Langhorne Clemens and pen named as Mark Twain, was born on November 30, 1835 and lived up to 21st April 1910. The American writer, humanist, entrepreneur, publisher, lecturer, adventurer, and the most influential people of America is the author of Adventure of Tom Sawyer and its sequel, The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. Referred to as the father of American literature by many, he is a prolific writer who wrote more than 28 books and lots of essays, stories, and speeches. He is regarded as the greatest humanist of United States. Mark Twain, during his childhood, did not realize about the undesired nonsense of social rituals going on in the society. But as time went on, he became a supporter of the abolition of slavery and fought for the freedom of all. He argued that non-whites did not receive justice in the United States. He penned his valuable thoughts on casteism and women's rights. He was an active campaigner for women's suffrage. His Votes for Women speech, in which he pressed for the granting of voting rights for women, is considered as one of the most famous speeches in the history of American literature. His thoughts, his views, and ideas can definitely put a boom to our thinking. Let us now see some of his inspirational quotes that can help us motivate ourselves in our lives. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. There are basically two types of people: people who accomplish things and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Go to heaven for the climate, hell for the company. Do the right thing. It will gratify some people and astonish the rest. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Life would be infinitely happier if we could only be born at the age of 80 and gradually approach 18. The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you would rather not. Let us endeavor so to live so that when we come to die, even the undertaker will be sorry. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you too can become great. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence on society. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So, throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and man. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why.